Hi, I'd like to welcome high school Goal Clarity coaches and teacher leaders to Part 1 of CIITS training. My name is Karen Branham, Assistant Superintendent of Curriculum and Instruction. To begin today's session, I would like to provide you with a brief overview of the Continuous Instructional Improvement Technology System, or CIITS. Strategy 1.5 of the strategic plan addresses the need for a comprehensive balanced assessment system that includes both formative and summative assessments. If we think of equipping our teachers with a variety of formative assessment tools, CIITS is just one of those tools we can place in the hands of teachers. During the 2011-2012 school year, Kentucky received Race to the Top funds, and the Kentucky Department of Education dispersed those funds to districts across the state. JCPS received over $1 million that will be used to specifically support the implementation of CIITS. Senate Bill 1 outlined the implementation of the Kentucky Core Academic Standards and a balanced assessment system. CIITS is a technology-based system that supports teachers in aligning Kentucky Core Academic Standards and ACT Quality Core Standards with instructional materials and formative assessment items. The first component of CIITS we are implementing across the district is called the Express Test feature. The Express Test feature is a quick, easy tool for teachers to develop and implement daily formative assessments that are aligned to the standards. So the concept is, on any given day, a teacher can identify the specific learning target or standard he or she is teaching and then create a formative assessment that is aligned to that standard. The Express Test feature includes two assessment item banks. One developed by Pearson for English Language Arts and Math KCAS standards, and the second item bank developed by ACT Quality Core. Using the Express Test feature, teachers can identify and drill down to the specific standard they are teaching. Teachers can select one or more assessment items aligned to the standard and then administer the assessment to their students online. This provides teachers with immediate data to guide and inform instruction the next day. During the 2012-2013 school year, the CIITS rollout focused on English Language Arts and Mathematics, grades 3 through 8. Training was provided to a team from each school that consisted of one resource teacher and one teacher leader from each school. The results of those teams speak for themselves. During last year's implementation, we increased teacher logins from 346 in September to over 2,200 logins in April. Our goal was to have 25% of the teachers logging into CIITS, and we surpassed that goal with 37%. In September of 2012, we had a total of 391 express tests created in the district. And by the end of last year, we had over 6,800 assessments created, which exceeded our goal of 3,000. Now that the ACT Quality Core Assessment Item Bank is available, we're expanding our CIITS implementation to the high school level. One team from each high school will attend the training. Each team will consist of one Goal Clarity coach and one classroom teacher. We anticipate another great year of results as we equip our high school teachers to use the Express Test feature as another tool to formatively assess students. We're glad you're here and have a great day of training as you learn how to use this exciting tool.